call me today or send me an email in regards to getting a free home evaluation. Right now, everybody's asking what their home is worth because we've kind of lost track of it because home values have been going up so fast over the last year. So if you're just curious and want to know about what your home value is currently, or if you have any thoughts as to what you might be able to sell your home for, or if you wanted to know how much equity you have in case you had some big home improvement projects, if you just want to know what your home is worth, let me know and we'll get you set up. There's a lot of information that there's some automated information, some platforms like Zillow or like HomeBot, if I've got you set up on that are really rough guesses because Utah is a non-disclosure state, so it means you can't publicly access all the details of homes that have sold. And so we've got a platform and a system and several people on board to be able to give you a free home evaluation to know what your home is worth as of today. So let me know if you have questions on that or anything else mortgage related or real estate related. I'd be happy to help. But please let me know if that's something that's on your mind and you're just curious, want to find out some details. I would love to help with that and anything else. Talk to you soon.